Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install OpenCV with Intel step by step clearly. First, ensure your system meets the requirements for OpenCV and Intel. Visit the official OpenCV website to download the latest version. Select the appropriate operating system for your machine. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the zip file to a convenient location. Next, download Intel's OneAPI toolkit from the official Intel website. Install the OneAPI toolkit by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, open a command prompt or terminal window. Navigate to the extracted OpenCV directory using the command line. Create a new build directory within the OpenCV folder. Change into the newly created build directory. Now, configure the OpenCV build with Intel CMake. Run CMake with the appropriate flags for Intel support. Once configuration is complete, check for any missing dependencies. Install any missing dependencies as indicated by CMake. Now, compile the OpenCV library by running the make command. This process may take a few minutes, depending on your system's performance. After successful compilation, install the libraries using the make install command. Verify the installation by running a simple OpenCV example. Open your preferred IDE and create a new project. Add the OpenCV library paths to your project settings. Write a basic OpenCV program to test the installation. Compile and run the program to ensure everything is working properly. You have now successfully installed OpenCV with Intel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.